The 1956 BMW 501 is a car that represents dignity, craftsmanship, and the rebirth of BMW after World War II. Its elegant and rounded body immediately stands out, earning it the nickname Baroque Angel. The flowing curves, tall grille, and chrome accents reflect a time when cars were designed to make a statement of prestige rather than aggression. Step closer, and you notice the solid build quality, with thick steel panels and a sense of durability that feels reassuring even today under the hood. The 1956 BMW 501 was available with a smooth V8 engine, a major milestone for BMW. This engine focused more on refinement than raw speed, delivering calm, confident performance that suited long-distance touring. Acceleration was gentle but steady, and the car felt most at home cruising comfortably rather than racing. The suspension was tuned for softness, soaking up road imperfections and offering a relaxed driving experience, especially impressive for its era. Inside, the 501 emphasized luxury and comfort. The cabin featured wide seats, quality materials, and a spacious layout designed for relaxed travel. Large windows improved visibility, while the simple dashboard layout kept everything easy to understand for the driver. What truly made the BMW 501 special was its role as a premium executive car in post-war Germany. It showcased BMW's engineering ambition, introduced their legendary V8 lineage, and set the foundation for the brand's future luxury models. The 1956 BMW 501 wasn't about speed or sportiness. It was about elegance, comfort, and restoring confidence in German automotive excellence.